Welcome everyone to HFN, HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is November the 28th, 2019. Going to give you all this update on XRP paired against the dollar. It's been about 2 days since this market has been trading from our last forecast, and hopefully you're all able to capitalize on the market move in XRP from our last video. Before I get started in our updated price forecast for XRP, definitely want to remind each and every one of you to join us on our website, HueFinancial.com. Become part of our community there that we are building to ensure that everyone else has access to our information, to our content, and that they will always be in the market know before the market actually moves. Also, follow us on Twitter and on Facebook. Both of those links are in the description of this video. And then subscribe to this particular platform as well, because where we are, you definitely want to make sure that you're there as well. So now let's talk about what the market did in XRP from our last video. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in for each and every one of you real quick, and you can tell already that the market has accomplished what we expected it to do, which simply was to see higher prices, right? So it has played out the way that we expected it to. Right here from the 25th of November all the way to today's day, we saw the market in XRP moving to the upside in price, and that's what it did. So 3.02% profit had in the market on that particular forecast. Simple to see, simple to understand. Let's get rid of it. So now, one of the biggest things that you can tell already on this price chart for XRP is the fact that it is breaking that trend to the downside in the market in XRP. Okay, even if I were to move it right here today, the market in XRP is breaking that downtrend that we've been in today. Now, we're not out the woods yet. Okay, I'm not going to tell you that we're ready to blast off into higher prices for XRP, but we are seeing a general good sign that the market in XRP is leveling out. Okay, that we are finding a support area around 22 cents. Real nice and firm. Okay, so for our chart in XRP, we are still seeing some hints and indications that 23 cents is resistance, as well as 23.5. Now, the only point to emphasize to see the continued strength in XRP is that the market has to hold 22.5 cents, and I'm expecting that to kind of play out in the market in XRP as we continue to see this market trade out on the smaller time frames. Okay, we are still enduring a lot of selling into the market for XRP as of this particular recording. So that's why I want to emphasize that 23 cents is resistance. Now, 2-hour chart in the market in XRP continues to instill and inflect that 22.5 cents is still support. Okay, so all in all, that is going to be the linchpin into the market for XRP to maintain the ability to move higher in price, 22 cents. So we're going to play this one on the 3-hour chart in the market for XRP, meaning that the further out in time we go, the less likely it gets a little bit more blurrier in terms of what the market in XRP is going to do. And this forecast is contingent on that 22.5 cent price being maintained as support. Okay, so that would be a loss of about 1.64%. I'm going to extend it down just a tad in the market for XRP, and we would TP the market, especially at that 23 cent level, if we continue to see the stockpile that's being revealed on this 3-hour bar, this one, and then this first one. Those are all situations that tells you that the market in XRP is weak, or at least that's where the resistance area is. Okay, so I'm going to extend it all the way up here though towards 23.5, because I can definitely see the market in XRP trying to hit that location as we trade throughout the rest of this work week. Okay, so this is it. Very small, very minimal price forecast playing on a 3-hour chart in XRP. Possible about 2.84% market move to the upside is what we're anticipating to see in this coin. And the only contingency that can hold us back from moving higher in XRP is 23 cents. So keep that in mind too as we see this market in XRP continue to trade. So this is it. This is the market right now, XRP. If we're able to break above 23 cents, and you look at this on the daily time frame, the market in XRP can literally try to come up there to 24, maybe even back up here to our resistance area of around 25 cents. But that's further and further down the road. Okay, so we're not going to talk about that right now. So this is it. Take a look at it, and we'll update you all once we come back for our next XRP video. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.